Hello everyone, I'm Chef Elias and I'm going to show you today some basic cuts with a white onion. Here we have a small white onion. I'm going to cut the end off and cut the other end off. Okay? Put the scraps to the side, down the center, and I'm going to peel the outside layer. Okay? 1/2. And you want to just remove both any layers that seem undesirable. Okay, there's always this one layer that might be a little thicker and might be a little bit funny here. Sometimes you can get just that little piece and you can peel just around that edge so you can keep that nice thick part. Okay, so I'm going to show you a julienne. Okay, julienne. Keep the knife on the board, the end of the knife on the board, your hand in a C-shape form here, and begin to slice. Okay, and when the onion comes to that piece right there, you push it over and continue to cut along that. Okay, so now we have that julienne, and we'll take that same other half onion, and I'm going to show you a small dice. Small dice, okay? Having one finger here on the end, and your tip of your knife, follow the contour of the onion. Okay? Turn it over to the side. Again with that C-shape form, and you get a nice small dice. Again, push that over. 1, 2. Okay, so here you have a small dice and a julienne. A small dice you can see used in a soup, a quick salsa, maybe a sautéed vegetable with other larger vegetables in it. A julienne would be nice sautéed vegetables, even for some peppers and sausage and onions. Other than that, these are the go-to cuts for a white onion.